Hey everybody, this is Mike Stroud with Stroud's Building Supply and Steel Trusses. Out here with the guys who are putting up another building. You can see they're going 16-foot sidewalls on this. Mr. Conley's doing a commercial style building, so he just cuts the overhang off the trusses. Then you just run your metal and cap it over just like you would a normal commercial building. We've got the perma-post columns mounting to the concrete. We've got the corner brackets and then your line post. All the hardware comes with that if you're doing that kind of setup. Normally the posts go on the ground, 4-foot hole with like a footing and then 3-foot concrete around the post. But this is a little bit different setup. You can figure $475 a square foot for the roof kit. He's going to actually enclose this building, so you can figure about $750, $775 a square foot for all your metal. Usually it's 13 foot out of the ground, 13 foot eave height, but like I said, this one's going to be 16 foot, so he's doing a little bit different, a little bit more add-on for that, for the height. In the building kit, it's going to come with all your insulation for your roof and your walls. It's not going to be your doors or your perma-post column concrete anchors, but it's going to be everything else, like a box on the ground, all your rat trim around the bottom, all your 2x6 purlins, your 2x6 girts, 3 foot on center going up the building, all your 6x6 16-foot posts. So give me a call at 828-413-4201, 828-413-4201, or visit us at StroudsBuildingSupply.com.